Ni hindi ya uruguria wa mubango wa waki wa nyumba wa Elvi Marina kaunti ya Githumo igongona-ini riria rikinyitio ni kiheri kia atongoria gikero-ini giki muhuraniri wa giturwa kia muikariri giti kanjo-ini ya AUC Raila Odinga aitika kugathiriria mubango wa waki wa manyumba bururi-ini riu akioya mweke uyu kuhoya thirikari gwitikira kunyitanira na ruhonge rwa andu kiumbe niguo gukinyaniria gitugi kia waki wa nyumba cia raithi.
I was Minister for Roads, Public Works and Housing. I am the one who first went and introduced an amendment to the Housing Act, which had been there from 1966, from the time I was made a minister, to come up with a housing policy that was responsive to the needs of the country. Because rural-urban migration is a permanent phenomenon. People will move from rural areas to go to urban centers in search of employment. So you need to address it.
Kurigana na Odinga, thirikari ndingihota gwaka nyumba cia kuigana iria ika hatari guoko kwa ruhonge rwa andu kiumbe. Kuna namba ya Kenya aria marathamira matauni-ini na micii-ini minene ithiite na mbere na kuongerereka hari o mwaka.
I'm happy that they are now agreed to work together with the private sector, because this is not something that can be left purely to the government. They need an input of the private sector in order to be able to deal with this challenge of shelter in our country.
I'm so happy that there is many Juakali artisans that today, over 4 billion shillings, we have ring fence today making doors and windows.
Ningĩ ũnyitanĩri na kaunti harĩ gĩtugĩ gĩkĩ ũkahũrĩrwo ndebe ta thiri nene ya gũkinyia mũthia thĩna wa wagi wa cikaro cia raithi iria nginyanĩru kũhũthĩka nĩ Akenya othe.
Start the journey of ownership today. In the next 60 days we are going to start handing over keys. To start a home ownership journey, just press *832#. You don't need to know Hinga. The largest public housing ever done in Kenya was Buruburu, which was done in the 1970s. And that was 5,000 units, and it was done over 15 years. Right now, as we speak, I have a housing development in Mukuru that is 13,000 units that we are completing within 4 years.
Ona waki ugikinyanagirio, thirikari ni uritio gutigirira waki uyu ni wakuruhania waki wa bata kwa muhiano waki wa mathibitari, mathukuru na njira cia gutegeko niguo kwagirithia mikarire ya aria magura nyumba iria ciarika gwakwo.
Many of our cities and towns face problems securing and distributing sufficient supplies of clean water to the residents, ensuring effective solid waste management and proper sanitation. In addition to challenges in providing necessities like electricity, health centers, schools and playgrounds.
Hadi ni Kameme TV, letura kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.